Hey guys, it's Holly and Rob, and in this video we are flying Air Transat Economy with Option Plus from Toronto to Cancun. This aircraft is an Airbus A330-200. Seating is in a very snug 3x3x3 configuration. We opted for two adjacent seats at the back of the plane. Some of the perks of Option Plus are advanced seat selection, priority line for check-in, priority baggage, priority boarding, and an extra check bag. You'll also get a blanket, sleep mask, and earbuds, which you'll see shortly. The menu consisted of the usual economy grub, also contains a list of some of the duty-free items for purchase. I should also mention with Option Plus, you'll get a snack and one alcoholic beverage. Apparently, there are some technical issues getting the engine started. A little mood lighting should calm the passengers. Okay, I think they've got it fixed. Maybe.
Two hours later.
Alright, we are pushing back and finally on our way, just off to de-ice, which I will spare you from watching. Here's a quick look at the aforementioned items included with Option Plus. These items are also available for purchase. This aircraft has seen some better days. The IFV, while intuitive, was somewhat dated in my opinion. I'm 6'2", and with the passenger in front fully reclined, there's very little legroom. So other than the delays, this flight was rather underwhelming. Let us know in the comments what you think. And also stay tuned for our return flight in Air Transat's Club class. Oh, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.